Hello, it's Rolly Shares. It's Jolly. Welcome back to my channel. What do you need to wear when you first go into the gym? I also have this kind of question when I first go to the gym. But seriously, you don't need that much for the clothing when you go to the gym. What I would recommend is to invest in leggings like this. What I'm wearing is Lululemon because I like how these leggings fit with my body shape. You can actually go with any brand that you prefer and do some try-ons in their stores and find the leggings that suit you. And since right now it's summer, so you can also exchange the long leggings with short leggings that will offer some coolness. And for the top, I'm just wearing a simple t-shirt with normal bra. Like during this 1 year in the gym, I always wear like this. I have no issues with that. I noticed that some people in the gym, they like to wear a sports crop top. It's up to you what you like to wear, a simple t-shirt or a sports bra or sports top. The most important thing is you feel comfortable in the outfit when you do exercises. Personally, I like to wear the t-shirt over the crop top in the gym is because, for example, gym seats and yoga mats, they have a bacteria on it. So I like to wear a t-shirt that offers a little bit more protection to my body when I touch those objects. For shoes, I would recommend you wear flat shoes that doesn't have the heels. What I'm wearing is Vans. I think Vans or Converse sneakers will both work in the case. There's one thing to pay attention to the shoes is when you go to gym, if you gonna do some exercises with weight, for example, squats, I don't recommend you to wear sneakers like this that has a little bit of heel here to the gym, because when you wear sneakers with a slight heel like this and do squats, there's a chance that you can train the wrong muscle then when you're wearing these sneakers that doesn't have a heel. So this is something that maybe you want to pay attention to. And I will also recommend you to tie your hair up before you go to gym, because when you are in the gym and exercise, you may sweat. And also when you tie your hair, it also allows you to move freely when you do exercise with tied up hair. Except what I'm gonna wear, I'm also gonna carry a backpack to carry my water bottle and also a lock for the locker, because hydration is quite important after exercising. And I bring the lock because I like to lock my locker for safety purpose. With all this stuff, I think we're ready to go to the gym. Let's go. Now we come to the gym. Let's do some stretches first. I usually like to run 15 minutes before I do any exercise with weight. So the workout is done. Right now I'm gonna go home. See you in the next video. Bye.